Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time, make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss any of these yummy vegan meals we got. You guys, today we are presenting soul food for you guys. Look at that.
Look at that. Look at this. Get that one out the way. Check mine out. Stop playing.
Y'all, look at
This
that.
the real deal right here.
Let me show y'all close though what we got.
Man.
We got
The works.
everything. Everything you could think of. Greens, mashed potatoes, gravy, cornbread, fried cauliflower, and macaroni and cheese and corn, y'all. We about to dig in.
Let's go in.
We're about to dig in?
Let me pray.
Oh,
Let me pray. I'm about to go ham. Quit playing with me. Dear Heavenly Father, Lord, forgive us for our sins, Lord. Thank you for this food you bless us with. Bless the hands that prepared it, Lord. In your name we pray. Amen.
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 Okay.
Oh, long one. Get that thumbnail in.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get the thumbnail in one time. Come on. 1, 2, and 3. All right, cool.
Did you guys look at the lens?
I think I did.
I looked
Let's
right
do
there.
one more because the viewfinder, it looks like we're looking off away.
Hold on, man. It's just a thumbnail. Hungry. Hey, by the time you put your foot in some of this food,
All the time.
It's bomb. Try some of these
Mm.
greens though one time.
It's real good. Ooh.
Hey, these greens is on point, y'all. Real live. You want this?
Yeah, I
I
want
want
some.
too.
I want some bread.
We got this Asian zing sauce we all fighting for right here.
About to open up my sparkling water. Oh, that made the sound. But you,
Look at part one, like, they got mac and cheese. Yeah, we can eat some mac and cheese.
give me not just mac and
right.
cheese.
Hey, dang!
Not just mac and cheese. We got baked mac and cheese, y'all. Y'all see this?
Look, get that sauce right there. Get that sauce.
Which
She
one?
gonna be all over my grill. Can't even pay the bills.
Boy.
Try this mac and cheese. See what you working with this. Mac and cheese bomb.
Y'all like the crust like this? I love the baked mac and cheese where it's all crusty and crunchy. Let me see the peach.
That best good simply right there. That peach flavor. It's my favorite. If you guys drink that, if you guys ever drink Simply Lemonade, what's your favorite flavor? They ain't got 21 flavors, but they got a couple.
Here. Put that over there.
Hey, you guys seen Be Love? Be Love, we made it to that 1 million subscribers.
I know. Congratulations, beloved.
Get that millie.
We love you, girl. Congratulations. You deserve it.
Comments was going crazy. Y'all seen that? It was just...
I am alive.
Y'all.
Oh my gosh.
Put some up here. Oh, y'all can see it right there. I ain't gonna put none right there. Man, these things with this Asian zing sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings, where's that? Show them that sauce one time. We ain't gotta put that close. They don't see the old man. That right there, it's the B.I.
It's so good. Yeah, this food is so good.
Mm.
Just because you go vegan.
Mm.
Ooh. Ooh, excuse
Got
me.
that Big Daddy cut.
Just because you go vegan don't mean you gotta give up your favorite foods. We got macaroni, baked macaroni. We got greens, mashed potatoes, and mushroom gravy.
Mm.
Cornbread, you guys. I mean, you don't have to give it up. That cornbread is so sweet. I love cornbread that tastes like cake.
Wow.
Mm. Mm.
Mm.
You got one that went overboard.
Mm.
I was gonna ask you how yours tastes, but I see your plate is almost gone. She can't even talk.
Mm.
You gotta try the Asian thing on the fried mushrooms. It's so good.
These are like our bonus wings, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm.
Mm. I just want to I don't want to poke my mac and cheese. I'm greedy.
You put in the, oh my god.
Mm. 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 Mm.
Mm. Sorry, y'all. Y'all gotta give us a minute. We've been waiting for this. Ooh.
I hope you guys eating with us, because we feel bad just eating this delicious meal in your face. Psych.
Yeah, let us know what y'all eating. What y'all have for dinner.
Mm.
And how was your weekend?
Mm.
Right now Right now it's Monday for us. But let us know how y'all weekend was.
If y'all wonder where our son at, he's knocked out.
Mm-hmm.
Playing basketball all day at school.
Mm-hmm.
He came back and just crashed. Didn't sleep ever since. But he got that fat plate ready for him tomorrow for school.
I was just about to say.
His friends are gonna be looking like, let me get a piece of that.
I put his plate up for him in case he wake up later hungry or in the morning. Mm.
Mm.
Man, give me some of them potatoes. Pass them.
You want more potatoes?
Pass that. Man, I'm all up
My
in the mashed
favorite.
potatoes. These great. The juice is up in these greens, though.
Right there.
Mm.
Yeah.
Actually, I got my own.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Let me give you a little too, y'all.
Now, pass me that gravy. Stop playing.
Mm-hmm.
The gravy is bomb. Y'all like gravy on y'all mashed potatoes? Because I know some people don't like gravy. I love gravy.
This gravy is something special. Not to toot your horn or nothing.
I think I was talking to somebody at work about gravy and mashed potatoes, and they were saying they don't like it.
You gonna like this one.
That's what I said.
Like. You mean love?
Ooh, excuse me. Ooh.
Yeah, a little bit more.
Gravy on point.
Let me taste this corn. No, it's so good. So, I don't know if we really talked about this on our channel, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys, oh my god, I got stuff all in my teeth. Wanted to kind of give y'all like a little insight on where we're trying to go with this channel and why we decided to create this channel. So we wanted to kind of show people that being vegan is not restrictive. Actually, I feel like we eat more types of foods that we've never ever tried before going vegan. So we just kind of want to show like we're not missing out on anything. Like we don't eat this kind of food all the time. This is not like the healthiest food to eat, and this is not the reason why we went vegan, to eat the same thing. But just for the people that's curious about it or think that we're deprived, we want to kind of show you guys that 95% of what the standard American diet eats, we can pretty much replicate it and eat the exact same thing. Most stuff is just good by seasonings, and most people's diet is 60% of their plate is vegan pretty much, besides the meat and, you know, whatever dairy products. But yeah, we just wanted to show that we can eat pretty much the exact same thing. So if you guys are just curious, we don't eat this all
Even
the time.
people that wanted to go vegan, and they're like, I can't leave this, I can't leave that. It's an alternative for everything vegan these days.
Yeah, and another thing, people always ask about my kids. Did we make them go vegan? Did we make them stop? I'm glad my daughter's right here. Like, they actually made the choice themselves. They decided to go vegan. We got a funny story about that actually, but I'll tell you guys in another video. But yeah, they decided to go vegan themselves. I went first, and they kind of followed after us. So yeah. You want to tell them a little something of how you feel going vegan, or is it hard for you as a kid?
Maybe at school or something. You get 1,000 questions about it.
More real quick. Being vegan is like, it don't really matter because like my school, they're finally selling vegan. I think I already said this.
Did you? Well, you can reiterate. You just.
So if you're new, my cafeteria, like for lunch, they serve vegan options now. Like they'll have a falafel and flatbread, or they'll have like a burrito. I don't think they know that we can eat rice because it'd just be a bean burrito, no rice. What else do we?
No potato, nothing in there.
And then they had this meat sub. My dad, I sent him a picture at lunch. Remember that?
Oh yeah.
And my dad said that one don't look vegan.
It didn't. That one looked like some.
But
I forget.
what about at home? Like, I know school is a little difficult if like they don't have stuff. So before her school started serving vegan options, we were making their school lunches. But we were actually making the school lunches before they went vegan because they were picky eaters.
How you gonna try to bump me off the sauce and I'm lending it to you? You better give it back now. What you thinking this is?
No, but tell them. So, how do you feel about being vegan at home? I can eat everything, right? Do you feel deprived or like you missing out on something?
Yeah. I feel like I'm missing out on my cookies. I want to go buy some.
I'm talking about vegan.
But anyways, you guys, let me get to my side of the story because they just talking about all this junkety junk. But the reason why I went vegan because I was doing a lot of studies, looking up on different foods and all that. Plus, y'all should know already, she's allergic to fish. So I was doing a lot of studies and stuff, and I was seeing like health benefits, like a gang of benefits through all these fruits and vegetables. Then I found Dr. Sebi. If you guys don't know who Dr. Sebi is, look him up. It's Dr. Sebi.
Sorry.
So Dr. Sebi was healing people from AIDS, cancer, all these other diseases in this world they say there's no cure from. He was healing them with fresh herbs, fruits, and vegetables, and all that stuff.
Left Eye, Lisa Left Eye Lopez went to him. That's what she was
so
a lot of celebrities.
When I seen that stuff, I was like, huh? And you know, as you study, you just, you know, like, man, dang, I've been lied to my whole life. Or I wasn't taught about this stuff. So that's really like the gist of what the reason why I went vegan and stuff. And then one good thing, because we out here in Los Angeles, California, one good thing is you see a lot of celebrities in these vegan places, man. That one time me and Bae was on Melrose at this vegan spot called Crossroads. We were just eating, you know, chilling, and then we look up. Who we see coming there? We seen P. Diddy and Cassie walk right in on us like.
And sat right next to us.
It sat right next to us. It was like.
We were both like,
what the hell? Yeah, Diddy walking in, just like it's regular, like
we didn't know it was a high-end place where celebrities go. We just, you know, when it's a new vegan spot or we hear about something good, we go try it.
Yeah, because you vegan, and we hear something like fried chicken or chicken and waffles, oh, we there.
Burger, yeah.
We there. But, yeah, there's another place on Melrose. It's called Gracias Madre.
Oh, yeah.
You see Cedric Entertainer there.
Another actress that I took a picture with, I forgot her name.
And the big stars, Jay-Z and Beyonce was there.
Oh, yeah.
Like, dang, all you guys vegan? It was just like, dang, they already knew the real.
Beyonce's vegan.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't know. I just found out.
But, yep, you guys, that's the reason why I went vegan. And that's the cool thing is that about being vegan, you get to see some of your favorite celebs up in these restaurants.
Yeah.
We didn't bug them or anything. We just sat there, ate quietly.
Yeah.
Held our composure really good.
We don't try to fan out. Especially with kind of thing like you here, it's kind of late, you come in and get something to eat. We don't want to just overwhelm you with questions and stuff like that.
And they did come late. We was there late.
Yeah, I think we were there like at 10, right?
Cornbread bomb.
So good. Yeah, but I cannot even think of your username, but I'll have it down right here. But shout out to you who asked why we went vegan. That's why I decided to answer it in this video. But if you guys have any more questions about it, or y'all want us to get into more depth and what we kind of like eat on a normal basis, like when we're not eating all this deliciousness, let us know down below if y'all got any more questions or want our kids to do a more in-depth video. Just let us know. We'll definitely get that up for y'all.
Look, you full.
Yeah, I ate a lot. I ate a lot of mashed potatoes.
That's her second plate.
Second plate?
Mm-hmm.
No bones in eating that much? Oh, we're so sorry, you guys. For you guys that's new here, my name is HD. This is my wife, Marie. And this is our daughter, Alana. We always forget to introduce ourselves for some reason.
Sorry, y'all.
We'd be so happy to let y'all know what we about to go ham on. Man.
Exactly. Oh, one more thing I want to tell y'all about the vegan and I'm done. Another thing with our channel, it's so funny because we get people that are like, oh, you can eat rice? Oh, you can eat potatoes? Like, I'm just thinking about what my daughter said, like, she don't think that she can eat rice. Like, we kind of we don't think people are dumb for those questions. I mean, what you don't grow up with or it's not around you often, you don't know. So we kind of want to show that too. Like, yeah, we eat potatoes.
You at the table eating. You dancing.
We eat potatoes. We eat rice. We eat, you know, like, y'all, wait till our Thanksgiving video comes. We got something special in store for y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much our channel, just to kind of, educate and just kind of show you guys, you know, we're not saying it's for everybody, but.
Hey, you know, these big smacks. What you talking about?
Exactly. Just to show y'all, you know.
This stuff hella bomb.
It's so good.
Like smack all the little popcorn.
Those were so good this time.
So bomb.
Oh my god.
Man.
That's why I was looking over there. I was like, what are those at? I think the smaller ones are better than the big ones, huh?
Yeah.
Huh, way better.
Way better.
I'm gonna look for the small ones next time. Those big ones be tasting too weird.
Yeah, I don't really like the big ones. I like the tiny ones because, like, they be like,
They're like popcorn chicken.
shrimp.
No, it's shrimp, yeah. How do you know? You never even had shrimp. You allergic.
No, but Maya be telling me, she be like, that thing bomb.
So you imagine it through what Maya said?
Yeah.
Pretty
And
funny.
shout
out to Maya.
Let me rephrase that. That junk is bomb.
Shut up.
Oh my gosh. So that, how was the food?
Y'all, I was thinking about making some peach cobbler. I saw, talking about B-Love, I saw her husband eating that peach cobbler. Oh my gosh, y'all. I make a bomb vegan peach cobbler as well, so that'll be coming soon. But
sometimes I don't even feel like I need to say a vegan peach cobbler because it tastes the same.
Yeah, y'all.
Especially when it comes to desserts, there's no difference.
I make a good peach cobbler, so I'm going to have to do that for y'all. I was watching him eat that peach cobbler. I almost jumped through the screen. Y'all, I'm a sweet head, so I love sweets.
Oh, I want my corn. You want one?
Oh, yes.
You don't want it? Oh, excuse me. Whew, I'm getting real full now. This food was so good.
What?
It was definitely worth the wait. I thought you was full, but you could eat that corn.
Hungry?
Y'all, I have a question. I already know what y'all gonna say, but I'm just curious because she getting older now. Does she look more like me or him? Let me know down below. And y'all, don't.
I've been brushing my hair. Y'all check out these dippers.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I've been brushing them. It's hard work to get these dippers.
Boy.
Everything.
You're already seasick.
I know you want to get away from me. You're getting sick over here. These dippers. Yeah, y'all, I'm about full.
I'm full too.
It's over with.
Me too.
Too.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You crunch it. Y'all, we murdered our plates.
I need Tasmanian devil on my plate.
I'm so full. But we got all this delicious food. I'm about to be eating this for lunch at work.
That part.
But y'all ready to sign out? Or y'all still want to talk to the people?
Well, I feel like I got everything I want to say on my chest. No, it's fine.
You gonna?
Pretty much done.
Because I know you always
You
got
know,
something.
I gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
Girl.
Seriously.
All right.
Hold on, you about to go nowhere right now?
No, not right now.
Oh, you talking about signing out?
Mhm.
You talking about after we sign out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said, did you have something to say?
Oh, no.
All right, y'all. We done with our food. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
A big thumbs up, you guys. Press it 2 times if you could.
Subscribe to this channel, y'all. We're just trying to educate. And make sure y'all hit that post notification bell. That way you know when we posted a new video and you don't miss out on anything. And we'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
Peace.